Let's take a look at the correlation function in Excel. Your boss says every time you spend more money on ads, your revenue goes up. But we want to see if there's actually a correlation to this statement. So to answer this, we need correlation or equals CORREL in Excel. And this function will essentially give us a single score between -1 and +1 that tells us exactly how strong that relationship is. +1 being a strong positive relationship, -1 being a strong negative relationship, and then finally 0 meaning no relationship at all. So for our data with ad spend and revenue, go ahead and put ad revenue as your first array, separate it by a comma, and then go ahead and do your revenue. And you'll see that we get a result of 0.99, which is a massive positive correlation, almost perfectly 1.0. So this proves mathematically that as ad spend goes up, revenue follows it almost perfectly. So one final warning is that correlation does not always mean causation. Just because ice cream sales and shark attacks are correlated, meaning that they both go up in the summer, does not mean that eating ice cream causes shark attacks.